Hi, I'm Alistair Davidson, a Master Trainer for DaVinci Resolve, and today we're going to have a quick look at using the Colour Match tool. If you've been lucky enough to use a colour chart like this on set, then it can be used really quickly to get you a starting point for your grade. I'll show you how to do that using what's called the Colour Match tool. The Colour Match tool can be found in the bottom left of the Resolve Colour page here. It's the second palette in and it's called Colour Match. You'll see that in the palette we actually have a representation of the colour chart. But if I come over to the drop down here, you'll see that there's a whole range of different colour charts that we can choose from. In this case, I used an X-Rite Colour Checker Classic on set. Now, what I have to do is I need to come up to the viewer, and in the bottom left of the viewer, on this small drop down menu here, I need to select Colour Chart. Once I've done that, I'll get an overlay of the chart itself on the screen. And all I have to do is, using the on-screen controls, is just size my chart over where it is in the footage so that each of these squares sits over the representative area. That looks about right for me. And then what I have to do is I have to set up these configuration settings down here. So, under the source gamma, this was recorded on a Blackmagic Design pocket camera. So I'll set that to Blackmagic Design 4K film, and I want to output in Rec 709, so I'm going to leave these options as they are. Under the colour temperature, we used lights that were 5600K, so I'll enter that there, and now all I have to do is hit match, and straight away you'll notice that Resolve has matched the colours there. And what it's done is it's read the values from the image and it's tried to correct them to where it believes they should be. And now if I disable this node, you can see the change that it's applied in there. I hope this has been helpful. Let us know if there's anything else you want to know about DaVinci Resolve by contacting the ScanProVideo team.